Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having clock is out of sync on your Windows 11 computer and an internet time sync error. Let's fix that problem guys. First thing I recommend to check your date and time is correct down in here, and if you want to change it to correct, right click on it, select adjust date and time, and we just need to turn it on guys. Set time automatically, you just need to turn it on, and select a time zone to correct guys. You just need to check your location time zone, and if still you having a problem, select set time automatically off and change date and time manually. Change manually and select change, and that's it. Hopefully that can able to resolve our problem guys. And in here lost successfully time, in here you need to sync now, click on it, and hopefully this can able to resolve your problem. If you still having an issue, let's move on to the next solution guys. Go to search menu and type services, open it, search for auto time zone updater, double click on it, select startup type to automatic, and select service status is stopped. You just need to start it and apply and OK. Right click on it and select restart. If you're not having restart available, select refresh and search for another service guys. Windows time, double click on it, select startup type to automatic, and select if the service status is stopped, you just need to start it and select apply and OK, and right click on it and select restart and close out of here. Hopefully at this point your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.